Guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Ecwid. So Ecwid is a place where you can dropship products. So this is really easy. You can like connect it to your Shopify or whatever you want. And now let's start getting into this place. So click on Get Started for free. You click on it. You're going to put your email, Google link, and I'll do it for you guys. Just wait. So after you sign up, it's gonna ask you like questions. Oh no, don't click on this. Let's click on books and music and video, and let's click and let's get started. Do you already have a website? No, I do not. No worries. Just choose an address for your website. So we're gonna make it up. New day, new game, NS Butter. So this is our store name. It's probably not taken. However, we're gonna create it for free. Create a store, it's free because it's free for everyone, guys. This is the good part about Ecwid. So Ecwid is a place where you can easily drop ship products. So let's get started. So this is just a general way of like starting on it. So click on website settings and you can change the address setting. You can change the theme. You can make it this theme. You can do everything you want. Let's click on it, and then now it's here. So this is really easy, guys. You can like edit your website, but I just want to talk about the overall way of making money with Egvit. But let's talk about the site selection. So you can change the headline cover. So let's do new day, new game. You can do full screen, half screen, it doesn't matter. It depends on how you want to do it. Click on save, make sure to save your thing, and you can um, change the sections of your location, about me, customer testimonials, and more. You can click on account settings and change your account name also. So that's how you do it. So let's go back to our actual dropshipping. This is like the way you design it, and you can like change everything here. You can add your location, and let's get back to the reality. So you need to add your products. You can add the payment options if you want. Let's try setting up. No, not this one. We already done this, so this would take you like 10 minutes. So this is really easy. Now we gotta list products. So there's simple products that you can get, and you can easily do them. So you can, let's say, Blue Steve's Coral. They list it for you and you will start selling it. You can order sample product if you want. You can edit the product and change the price and make extra profit. You can make it $45, $90 based on how much the sample gets. And there's options here that as you guys can see, there's a shipping, SEO, buy now button, and more. So there's a lot of products that you can do. Import products, import. So you can also import products from like different websites. So that's really cool. You need to have the upgraded version. This is a sample version, so I can't do anything here. But yeah. Now let's check the categories. You can add categories easily by clicking here, add a root category, and say new day, new game. You can add a category image, by the way. That's really easy, and you can add a description based on that. So that's really easy, guys. Let's check the gift cards. You can you can create your own gift cards. By the way, this is just a generic overview. I'll make another video about it, so make sure to subscribe. You can increase your revenue. You can upgrade to sell gift cards. And you can also do marketing, which is very important for a business. You can advertise on Google using Ecwid. So Ecwid really, literally helps you. It's an automated Google Ads powered by Ecwid. You can click on it. And the target country based on what you're selling, and there will be categories, store view, and preview. So you can do Facebook ads, Google ads, and they will help you. They will help you to get more customers. You can do automatic discounts, automated emails to get more customers to your business. So that's really easy. I want to talk about the sales part, how to get a sale. So we got to make sure that we have a product. So I want to learn, not learn actually. I want to list a product. So I want to go ahead and um, oh, these are the listed ones, right? Yeah. So view store is this is the actual store, and you can click on it, add to bag, and on the right there's going to be a column, and you can click on checkout, and they will do it for you. So that's really easy. So they will do it for you. That's the good part. And you can also add your own products. That's really cool. And let's go ahead and change the Ecwid mobile for iOS. You can sell offline with POS systems. You can turn your store into a mobile app, but I think you gotta pay for it. So that's expensive. You can sell on different online markets like Amazon, eBay, TikTok, and they will do it for you. I mean, not do it for you. You gotta like actually put in the work. However, you can list it easily by getting the help from them. You can change the address, like the domain address. Like let's say you want to make it newdaynewgame.com instead of having that on there's like a company website. No, we don't want that. So we actually want something special. So you can do that. You can change the SEO. Like you can use the SEO to get like more sales, more customers. So yeah, let's see. Oh, we can advertise on TikTok, mobile, other channels. Oh, it's really cool that they can like easily do it for you. Like you just gotta put in the work and they will like advertise it for you if you get enough sales. Um, there's the image size. You can change that. The payment is listed here. You can get money from Stripe, Square, PayPal. So these are the ones that everybody has. That's really cool. People can use Amex. Uh, like this is what everybody has. So there's no issue with payment methods in my opinion. So that's really cool. You can enable PayPal. You gotta have a business account, I think. And you gotta make sure that your social security is present. And you can add a shipping by clicking on add a shipping, set up USPS, set up USPS. Um, oh, you gotta make sure you put your address because you need to like so the you're the one like doing the shipping, so that's really important. You can do FedEx, DHL, um, and you can do other parts. There's a settings website where you can edit your company email, name, and more. You can do taxes here. So, oh, that's really cool that they do your taxes for you. I mean, they don't really do it for you. However, you can like get help. They will like help you. There's the legal version, and there's apps that you can link like in the Shopify. So let's see if we can find any app. So to add an app, you click on add an app, and then oh, we need to upgrade to get the app. That's really cool. Um, but we don't have that money to like get the upgraded version. But I'll make a video in the future if I get like more views. I'll like buy it and I'll show it to you guys, or I can like make my own Shopify store. So basically, you can connect it to like Instagram Shopping, Facebook Shop, and do it that. So that's really cool. And these are the tasks that you have to do to get your first sale. However, you can get your first sale, but you gotta make sure that you have the setup payment option. Um, so that's really cool. You can add the what is it called? Refer a friend, and you can make money. So let's see. So for each referral, you get 20% on. Oh, wow, you get a lot of money. So make sure to use my referral code. That's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. Because you can easily make money by just um, what is it called? You can just make money by just referring people. So that was basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll provide the links in the description. So thank you all so much and see you guys in the next video.